Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us discuss on how to perform operations on directories. To display all the file names in a directory, there are two ways, by using a glob function or by using opendir function. To create a new directory, use mkdir followed by the directory name. To remove directory, use rmdir. To change the path of your directory, use chdir followed by the path name. Now let us see a detailed example.
In this program, I am going to explain on how to create directories and list down all files in a certain directory. The first way is to use a glob function. For this, I have saved a directory path in a variable called dirname. Glob function followed by the variable name, which is having the directory path. Let us now see the output. If you can see here, all the files are concatenated into one string. This is one file and this is another file and this is another file. If you clearly observe here, there is a star at the directory end. What if this star is not there? If star is not mentioned and you are using a glob function, then only the directory path will be printed. The second way to list down all the files in a directory is that by using directory handles. For this, opendir, it opens a directory. I am giving the directory handle name as dir. Dot means current directory, or you can mention any path over here. Just mention in this saying that if you don't have any permission to open the directory, just say die and print the error message. $not means it prints the error message too, along with this message. Use a while loop and read the directory. Give the file handle here. This means each file will be saved in this variable called file name. Close the directory handle. If you test it now, this is the output of glob and this is the output of while loop using the directory handles. If you can see here, there are hidden directories also which are mentioned. And by this way, if you don't mention this star, the while loop using the directory handles behaves the same. But if you see the output of glob function, output is different. It just displays the directory path. Next is to create a directory. To create a directory, just use mkdir. It is similar to shell and give the path name. I want to create a directory called new. Let us test it. Now do ls. If you can see, this is the directory which is created. You can just do ls -l and check whether your directory is created or not. This is my directory. What if you want to change the path? Then you have to use chdir. And I want to change my path from this to this one. because in the current directory I am in this path and I want to change from this path to this path. You can ensure whether you have changed the path or not by using the pwd command. For this, just enclose the command which you want to run in backticks and store the output in this variable called cmdout. And now just print this variable. If you just test it, this is my path where I have changed the directory. If you want to remove the directory, just use rmdir followed by the path name. Now let's verify it. And there is no directory called new here.